Shri Vasudevaya. Vandeham Shri Guru Shri Juta Padakamalam. So, we are reading the teachings of Lord Chaitanya. We have begun from our last meeting. We shall again read it. Read it. Yes. Read it anyway. Yeah.
Okay. In the Bhagavad Gita, we are informed that the constitutional nature of the individual entity is spirit soul. He is not matter. Therefore, as spirit soul, he is part and parcel of the Supreme Soul, the Absolute Truth, the personality of Godhead. We also learn that it is the duty of the spirit soul to surrender, for only then he can be happy. The last instruction of the Bhagavad Gita is that the spirit soul is to surrender completely unto the Supreme Soul, Krishna, and in that way realize happiness. Here also Lord Chaitanya is answering the questions of Sanatan, repeats the same truth, but without giving him information about the spirit soul which is already described in the Gita.
Yes, the point is that what is the constitutional position of the spirit soul is very elaborately discussed in the Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Now, the last instruction in the Bhagavad Gita, as Krishna says, Sarva dharman parittajya mam ekang saranang braja. He has instructed to Arjuna all kinds of yoga system, all kinds of religious, ritualistic process, sacrifice, and philosophical speculation, the constitutional position of this body, constitutional position of the soul, everything he has described in the Bhagavad Gita. And at last he says to Arjuna, my dear Arjuna, because you are my very intimate and dear friend, therefore I say the most confidential part of Vedic knowledge. And what is that? You simply surrender unto me. That's all. People are not inclined to surrender. Therefore he has to learn so many things. Just like a child, he has simply a feeling of surrender to the parents. He is happy. There is no need of learning philosophy, how to live very happily. The child is completely dependent on the care of parents and he is happy. Simple philosophy. But because we have advanced in civilization, in knowledge, therefore we want to understand this simple philosophy in so many jugglery of words. That's all. So if you want to learn in jugglery of words, then this Krishna consciousness movement is not lacking. We have got volumes of books of philosophy. But if you accept the simple process that we have to, God is great and we are part and parcel, therefore my duty is to serve and surrender unto God. That's all. So Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, without discussing all the constitutional position, philosophy, knowledge, and so many other things, yoga system, he immediately begins that the constitutional position of the living entity is to serve the Supreme Whole. That is the beginning of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's teaching. That means where the teachings of Bhagavad Gita ended, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu begins from that position. Yeah. Go on.
he begins from the point where Krishna ended his instruction. It is accepted by great devotees that Lord Chaitanya is Krishna himself. And from the point where he ended his instruction in the Gita, he now begins his instruction again to Sanatana. The Lord said to Sanatana, your constitutional position is that you are pure living soul. This material body is not the identity of your real self, neither is your mind your real identity, nor your intelligence, nor is false ego the real identity of the self. Your identity that you are the eternal servitor of the Supreme Lord, Krishna.
Now here is some important point that in our self-realization, those who are grossly on the material platform, they think that this body, I am this body. I am this body. Body means the senses. Therefore my satisfaction means this satisfaction of the senses. Sense gratification. This is the grossest form of self-realization. This body is also self. The body is self, the mind is self, and the soul is also self. Self, the synonym. The body and the mind and the soul, both are, three of them are called self. Now, in the grossest stage of our life, we think that this body is the self. And in a subtler stage, we think that the mind and the intelligence is the self. But actually, self is beyond this body, beyond this mind, beyond this intelligence. That is the position. Those who are grossly on the bodily concept of self-realization, they are materialists. And those who are on the concept of mind and intelligence, they are the philosophers and poets. They are philosophizing or giving some idea in poetry, but their conception is still wrong. When you come to the point of spiritual platform, then it is called devotional service. That is being explained by Chaitanya Mahaprabhu.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama.